Take picture of my fire.
No, I'm doing video.
Stand in front of it. Those guys like girls stand in front of fire.
Yeah, Mom. What? Hey, Josh, why don't you come do single ladies in front of the fire? Oh, the single ladies. Oh, the single ladies. Oh, the single ladies.
Don't throw that. Yeah, no, he's like this
What?
close to fucking music.
I know.
He's already getting in the fire.
Oh, you need a t-shirt. Walk in the house with me.
Oh, I'm almost done.
Here we go.
Hi.
What was that last one? There's gonna be simultaneous.
Is it almost done? How many more you guys got? Hurry. I'm running out of phone space. I haven't moved them to my card yet. No. I never think about that. I just let it go. Just let it go. There's a fire on the flame.